Welcome. For me, I have obviously PS5, and let's go through unboxing. So it's gonna be a fresh unboxing. I have no clue what's in here apart from, well, the obvious console. So let's pop it open. Oh, looks like there are tabs, so here we go. Let's drop the knife to the side. And let's see, so lift up. So just try to somehow single-handedly do this while still being on camera. There we go. So start with a bit of a cardboard. We drop it to the side, and get some instruction. I guess I have to lay it on the side. Let's do that. And well, that was a lie. Apparently when I did lay it on the side, stuff fell out. So great. So in here we got a controller. Let me just first drop it to the side. Obviously a charging cable, again to the side. Instructions, well, trash. What we got in here? Was that supposed to be a stand for it? I genuinely have no idea what this is for, but I guess I'll find out in a second. Then we got a HDMI cable, and that looks like it's everything in here. Although, nope, there's still something in here. There we go. Type C to Type A USB. And then, obviously, the start of the show in here. So I guess now is when we do set it to the side and just pull it out. If I only had a little bit more space for this, that would have been nice. There we go. I just hope I don't stand on anything. Oh, the cardboard just fell. Now this is a little bit chunkier and overall heavier than I actually expected it to be. So right now you're only seeing it from the side, so let's actually change it. So I'm gonna use this so I don't actually scratch it up. So it's just brand new. So this is the size of it, and comparing it to the phone, this is the phone, and this is not a small phone. So this thing is like quite big, if you can see based on my hand. Now I might not be the fattest guy out there, but I most certainly do not have lady hands here. So yeah, this is I would say, call it a unit. And yeah, it's fairly nice looking, I would say. Although I don't think it would fit very well in your living room. And let's finish up and see what else we got. So this, I still have no clue what this is for. You know what? I wouldn't bother with it. Then we got a controller. So, really nice controller with the Type C. Also, headphone jack and some other connections. And the cables, obviously, just a Type-C, like I mentioned before, HDMI, and the power for the console itself. And that's basically all you get in the box. Not much, to be honest, but that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.